Factories and warehouses are places where things are constantly moving, and automation makes this movement more efficient. When the loads are heavy, safety isn't an option. Material movement needs to be safe, precise, and on time, which is why AMRs are the best solution. Modern intralogistics is complex, requiring different AMRs to work in harmony. But when you mix AMR types and vendors, coordination breaks. When robots can't communicate, it leads to collisions, delays, and downtime that drags down production. That's why we created SyncOS Fleet Manager, a real-time command center for all your AMRs and AGVs. It's a platform that helps you track every robot, optimize every path, and fix problems before they happen. The SyncOS Fleet Manager allows you to easily set up workflows, create behavior zones, manage charge times, and allocate tasks based on priority, ensuring that your fleet evolves with your factory automatically. But what if we took it a step further? What if your robots could also talk to conveyors, robotic arms, PLCs? Imagine every system understanding each other without complex custom coding. That is what SyncOS Integrator does. SyncOS Integrator connects any machine, robot, or system in minutes, no matter which vendor they come from. It captures and turns signals, events, and readings from every machine at every stage into fluid workflows. Uses AI to tell you what you need when you need it, without scraping through pages of data, all through a no-code interface that your team will intuitively understand. The result is a factory that runs seamlessly and constantly improves itself, putting control of your automation in your hands, no matter where you are in the world. Make automation safer, faster, and smarter. No complicated interfaces, no vendor lock-in. Only safety, efficiency, and agility. SyncOS is the only automation control platform you'll ever need. Contact us today.